Yeah, see, it's dark out. Early morning. And away we go. Well, good morning, good morning. Early September 2023. A nice brisk 64 degrees right now. It's a little after 6:20 a.m. Anonymous Biker USA. First time at the channel. Thumbs up, subscribe, do the diddle. Now, why are we leaving so early today? The ride today is going to be the Blue Ridge Parkway. So we're going to jump on just east of Maggie Valley, North Carolina, and ride what some call the most scenic portion of it, from Maggie Valley to Cherokee, North Carolina. Never been on this part, so let's see what happens. It's about 2 hour and 30-minute ride to get there, just short of 148 miles. And we're going to be jumping on the interstate up here. And it's a Labor Day weekend, so I wanted to get up there early before all the crazy traffic gets out. So when I'm coming back, I'm going downstream. So right here, I'm riding by the Mars Wrigley plant, where they make all your Wrigley gum. And it smells like one gigantic piece of spearmint right here. If you had smell-o-vision, you'd get it. I mean, it is potent. But you can see the sun is slowly starting to come up, getting a little bit of daybreak. And traffic is light. Well, there we go. We have sunrise peeking over the mountain. Alright, just stop to get some gas here. Next to the old Arby's, small town in way North Georgia. I think we're close to the North Carolina line. But let's just get some gas. Looks like fire smoke. But it's not, it's just regular fog. Whoa, look at this. Is the weather changing drastically? Tell you, you get up in this mountain, always happens. Yay, 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 look at this. Carolina. There we go. So we just crossed over. Macon County, North Carolina. Pretty foggy. So we're on the Great Smoky Mountain Expressway. Welcome to the Cherokee Indian Reservation. Alright, we found it. Entering Blue Ridge Parkway. Here we go. So, warning, avoid parkway during fog, snow, and ice. Oh, gee, thanks. Wow. Holy mackerel. Balsam Overlook, elevation 5,020 feet. Ah, this is pretty epic. Holy cow. Before you lies the massive Plot Blossom Range. On one of its eastern slopes, Henry Plot, a German immigrant son, made his home in the early 1800s. In this game-filled frontier, hunting dogs were a prized possession. Here, Henry Plot and his descendants developed the famous Plot Bearhounds, carefully selecting for the qualities of stamina, courage, alertness the breed possesses today. Check that out. And those views, I don't even know what to say. Holy crap, this is unbelievable. I mean, 64 degrees, sunny, is perfection. This road, I mean, look at these views. This is insane. Another tunnel. Wow. Oh, this is a major favorite of mine. We got another overlook here. Let's go check this one out. Holy cow, look at this. Bunches Bald Overlook. Elevation 4925.